Are you a Japanese national who's seeking for a job opportunity here in the Philippines? Or a Filipino who can speak Japanese? There are more than 700 Japanese-speaking jobs across all positions and industries waiting for you. Come and join the biggest Japanese bilingual job fair of the year in SMX Convention Manila on July 27, 2024, Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Experience meet and greet with global companies that are top Japanese job destination in the country. Registration is free. There's tons of freebies awaiting you at the event. What are you waiting for? Please contact us on this number for more details.
Introduce first myself and my co-facilitator. So we'll be the one to handle the overall cycle po ng inyong team building. So you can call me as Miss Bebs. That's capital B-E, Victory Z. Wrong spelling is wrong. Okay, apat na letters lang po yun. Together with me is my co-facilitator, Kuya Mark. Again, 4 letters only, M-A-R-K. Wrong spelling is wrong. Okay, so good morning to everyone. And of course, on behalf ng Philip Sanctuary, thank you for choosing our sites to be part of your Team Building 2024. 3 years in the making po itong Philip Sanctuary. This is a man-made forest. Philip Sanctuary has a total land area of 31 hectares. Okay? Pero hindi nyo naman po lilibutin yung buong 31 hectares na lang. The fully developed po, together with the team building facilities, is nasa 17 hectares po. Okay? So here we have 20,000 trees. Nabilang niyo po ba? Kung may time po kayo, mula sa taas, pababa, pwede nyo naman po bilangin. Kung okay lang yun sa'yo. Baka pag free time nyo po. Okay? So, the sanctuary was named after Mr. Andrew Philip Pestaño. He is a PM Mayor from Baguio. 1996, Maalab class.
So first, I would like to say thank you to boss who made this possible. He's not here, but he allowed us. So I've been working in this company for almost 12 years, and I'm not sure when did we start doing the team building. I think it was maybe 9 or 8 years ago, but after doing the very first team building, we did not stop from doing it. Do you know why? Because of the lessons we learned from it. So the true essence of team building is to build our team, to build JK Network Organization to be a stronger team.
Cash prize.
Mas mahina daw kayo.
Start for your 2024 cheating competition.
We are the strongest! We are the winners!
Alright, thank you so much.
We are the powerful! Di pa patalo! Kami na panalo! Lahing matatapang! Tumigas maludo! Di kami susuko! Kami matatalo! Na 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 we dare you! Andito na ang ube! Di kami mapatalo! Nandito aming grupo! Matatapang lahat to! Pagbabagsakan dito! Kaya'y wala na paso! Roll it! Shake it! Victory! Let's take it! We are powerful! Oh, ba't kayo nakatingin? Ready na ba kayong puksain? Move! Defense! Grito is on the way! Move! Defense! Grito is on the way! Move! Defense! Grito is on the way! Hey! Now wave your hands in the air like we don't even care! Wave your hands in the air like we don't even care! We are the Grito team! Bringing this team to the championship! Let's go!
Right, left, right, left, right, left,
Get ready!
Set! Go! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2!
Dahan-dahan, Miss Leia. Up.
Miss Leia, tingin ka sa akin.
Sige. Okay. Very fast.
Tingin ka sa akin. Tingin ka sa akin.
Galit po kayo. Okay. Then, itong tinatawag namin D-Bridge. Ngayon, yung second station ay CU Bridge. Ingat po tayo dyan, ma'am, ha? Opo, baka mas-slip po tayo. Masakit po sa tasingit. At wag po kayo magdadalawang paa sa isang rope po. So, once na nakahakbang na yung unang paa nyo, hakbang nyo na yung kasunod na paa nyo. So, instruct ko lang kasi baka po mamaya ano kayo. So, ganun po po. So, tulad po na sinabi ko, once na nakaapak na, kapit mo na maigpit, saka po iakbang. Make sure na meron po kayo nakapakan. Kapit, maigpit, takbang. Sige po, re-record ko, pwede nating alalayan yung tatawid po rito ha. Kasi medyo delikado po ito. Katulad po nito, medyo bumubuka po siya. So, ingat po kayo. Lagi ang paa natin, gitna po. Huwag po yung pinakaunahan lang kasi baka madulas po kayo. Pinakagitna po. Once na umakbang, kapit muna. Akbang. Make sure na may naapakan. Pass forward. So hanggang dulo dun po. Hawakan natin yung kanina sir, tungtungan. Hawakan namin mga. Nakabot namin kayo.
Wait. Tap sa balikan.
Dito pwede naman na kami dito. Dandan lang. Make sure na meron ako. Go. Kapit, dalawa. Kapit. Tapak.
Go. Mount, tangkad, cover. Careful. Next. Pattern. It's Daisy. Extend the hand. Extend your...
Gandaan lang. Nice! Go! Ma'am, wag mo i-rush. Konti lang. Wow!
Malapit na! Konti na lang!
Avengers! Assemble.
For the GK Network Services goes to team. Drum roll, please.